Gemini, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. And maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. In today's reading, tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. This is not a one-to-one reading, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate or makaka-relate. Pwede ninyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Gemini. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and please tap the bell for notification from this channel. Tingnan natin kung anong nangyayari sa inyong love life or romantic situation. Ano yung mga energies and messages for Gemini. Girl talk. Time with friends, moving on, happily single. Living in the moment, having fun. Okay, you're spending time with friends. Maybe you're single right now. Okay, you're having fun. Okay, with friends and families. Cupid's arrow. Have faith. Love is coming. Surprise. Invitation or meeting. Hesitation. Okay. Have faith. Love is coming to you, Gemini, if you are single. Okay. Baka merong mga invitation sa inyo, like party, mga get-together, and doon mo mamimit yung person na para sa inyo. Karmic relationship, fleeting, triggers, turmoil, resentment, lessons, letting go, and loving you. Okay. Yung iba, nakakaranas ng problema sa relationship. May mga lessons ka na learn doon, and now you are moving on. You are letting go. Coffee cup, meeting and conversing, savoring the moment, feeling uplifted, friendship. Yeah, you're spending time with your friends. Okay. Meeting up with friends over coffee. Kwentuhan. Okay, you are happily single for some of you. Or, yeah. Okay, tingnan natin. Just take what resonates for you, Gemini, and leave the rest. Gemini, anong nangyayari sa kanilang love relationship or romantic situation? Okay. Your person is like your best friend, your partner, tumutulong sa inyo. Maybe tumutulong sa inyong negosyo or trabaho or sa inyong pinagkakakitaan. Okay. Your person is thinking about money or resources also. Para sa sarili niya. Okay. Yeah. Para may challenge, may problema, minsan parang walang hindi pagkakaintindihan, hurt feelings, hurting words and actions. Okay? Yun yung problema sa inyong relationship. Yeah, maybe the problem is ego, okay, and pride sa relationship, okay. Maybe also cheating or lies is also involved sa inyong relasyon, okay. Tingnan natin. Seven of Cups. Yeah, Five of Cups. Merong disappointment sa part ng inyong person, okay, when it comes to money matters or when it comes sa pag-nurture ng inyong relationship, merong disappointment. Your person is disappointed of you, Gemini. That is for some of you. Okay, yung iba, merong loss. Loss of money, loss of inheritance, merong hindi fair na nangyari, okay? Merong kalungkutan, merong disappointment. Okay? Or loss of interest at the same time. But it is not the end of all. Okay? Because okay, Knight of Swords. Yeah, your person is actively looking for financial security. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Parang gusto din ng person mo na makipag-participate sa inyo when it comes to money and when it comes to resources. Okay? Gusto niya rin maging financially independent. Okay? And with that, makakontribute na siya sa inyo. Something like that. That's the energy, Gemini. Just take what resonates. Yeah. Yeah, your person, meron din siya mga ambitions. Okay? Para sa sarili niya. Yeah, Six of Pentacles. Yeah. Parang siguro yung person ninyo, nakahanap din siya ng merong career opportunity para sa kanya, and kung ano man to, yung opportunity na to, magbibigay ito sa kanya ng chance para mabigyan niya ng value ang kanyang sarili. Okay? Merong victory sa part niya when it comes sa trabaho. Okay? So, sa isip ng person mo is now career advancement, about kaperahan. Okay? Yeah. So, I think ito yung blockage. Ego and pride is the problem in the situation or sa inyong relationship. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, merong separation na nangyayari, emotional distance or emotional separation, in a sense that your person wants to be financially secured and independent, but then nag-iisip din siya ng paraan. Maybe merong mga loans or utang, okay? And gusto niyang, nag-iisip siya ng paraan paano ibalik or maibigay. Maybe meron siyang yeah, parang siguro meron siyang hiram sa inyo. Or tinitingnan niya yung utang na loob. Something like that with you. Yeah. Because you, Gemini, you are doing well when it comes sa work, sa career, sa business, or sa inyong pinagkakakitaan. And your person, you see your person as your partner. Okay? Yeah. And parang siya yung nagsusupport sa inyo. But then, your person also wants independence. Most especially, pagdating sa kaperahan. Okay? Yeah. So, your person wants to have a solution para makapagbigay din siya, makapag-contribute or makapagbayad. Something like that. Okay? Makapag-contribute sa relasyon ninyo. Okay? When it comes to finances. Yeah. Okay? So, merong disappointment din, no? Because of ego and pride in the relationship. Tingnan natin. Ito yung Four of Wands. Just take what resonates for you, Gemini. So far, ito yung energy. Yeah, Eight of Cups. You feel that your person is moving on. Parang nawawala ng gana or hindi na siya interested or parang nakikita na ng person mo yung value niya and looking and parang now he or she is chasing his dream or her dreams. Okay? Something meaningful. Okay? Happy ka sa person mo. Very supportive siya. Parang mag-best friends kayo and all that. But then, there is may part na moving on. Okay? Merong discontentment. You feel na parang merong discontentment sa partner ninyo. And emotional distance or lumalayo. Okay? Yeah, very defensive, prideful. Ego is the problem. Okay? Parang siguro lagi ka merong mga arguments or pag-aaway and merong defensiveness in the situation. Okay. Yeah, maybe your person is just being defensive. Okay? Tingnan natin yung Four of Swords. Ace of Pentacles. Okay. Merong pagpapahinga sa relasyon. Okay? Yeah. Tingnan natin. Yeah. Merong desisyon na gagawin, okay, about sa pagsasama or sa inyong relasyon. Merong decision about commitment with your person. But now there is a pause, there is a break, okay? Emotionally, you are tired, both of you, okay? Merong pagpapahinga. Okay? Maybe your person is thinking also of other options. Merong hurt. Okay? Knight of Cups. Ano to? Four of Swords. Yeah. So, parang merong contemplation, no? Kung ano yung mga options or anong mangyayari in the future or sa mga susunod na araw. Merong evaluation or assessment, re-evaluation sa nangyayari sa inyong relationship. Okay? That is Knight of Cups. Yeah. Page of Swords. Yeah. So, merong pagsusuyo na mangyayari. So, one must bend. Okay? Naghahanap ng solusyon or paraan kung paano ayusin ang inyong situation. Yeah. Okay? It's either you, Gemini, or your person, okay? Someone is thinking about reconciling with you. Okay? Just take what resonates. Okay? Yeah. Merong break for a while and then pwedeng merong reconciliation na mangyayari. Nag-iisip ng paraan or ways kung paano masolusyonan o resolution of conflict in the situation. Okay? Yeah. Page of Swords. Yeah. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you are stalking or spying kung anong ginagawa ng inyong person. Okay? And, just take what resonates. Yung iba ay naghahanap ng paraan para magkaayos. Okay. Hidden truths from your person. I couldn't let you get close to me. Meron ganyan. I hide behind material things. So, one more. We need to let go. We need to let each other go. Okay, meron ganyan. Okay. Yeah, kailangan din ng break or pahinga sa sitwasyon para makapag-isip kayo ng maayos. Okay? Yeah. For some, reconciliation is needed. Merong reconciliation. Okay? Merong panunuyo na mangyayari. Let's see. Ano pa yung ibang advice for Gemini? Gemini. Embrace. Embrace. Through each other, you find the missing piece. Missing pieces. Okay. Freedom. There is nothing stopping you. The path is clear if you want it to be. Okay. If you could do anything, what would it be? The answer dwells in your heart, not in your mind. For the heart is the gateway to the soul. Okay? So, yun lang yung mga messages for you, Gemini. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!